Good morning! Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday,
the 4th
of August.
But guys, it's sad news. We're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, guys. So, dito na kayo sa toilet. Sa bath, shower room and toilet. Kasi nag-ready
And
kami.
bathroom.
Kasi we are planning to...
Surf!
Yeah, mag-surf
Well,
kami.
I don't think she knows, but I already know.
Mag-try ulit ako. Pero tinry ko na to before, so... Nagre-ready lang.
And
Ito
when
pala
I'm
yung... Oh, di ba? Nabili natin sa bench. Ito yung swimsuit and... Ayan yung front and likod. Ayan. And meron ako yung parang net. Net ba yun? Basta yung parang ginansilyo siyang dress. So, yun yung i-cover up natin. So, talian ko lang tong batang to. Like that, Baba. Okay? Yan yung likod ng ating...
I hope you can
swimwear. May rashi din ako. May ilalagay ako dito pag nag-surfing ako. Pero papunta dun sa beach, meron ako yung parang, yung white.
If you don't wear any rashi or shorts, then you'll get a rashi.
Okay, I'm gonna get yung, ano, yung...
I already
white.
got a rashi, guys.
We'll have a breakfast.
I'm not now.
Mom, did you put my swimsuit in?
What? Yeah, I did. This one.
This is the one that don't give me rash.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. Well, I didn't know kasi nagpalaba kami, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. So, ito ang...
I'm ready to go
Ilalagay ko.
surfing, guys.
Nakita ko to sa ano. Kanina ko to nakita. After ko nang nabili, nakita ko. Meron din ito si ano. Okay, sige. Ina Raimundo. Ayan. So, ganyan.
That's ganda.
Ah, diba? Parang hindi na tayo naka-swimwear. Pero, mayroon tayong...
And a little
Can you
cap.
get my rashi there, Baba?
That's
Okay. I'll see you later, guys. Eto.
That's not a rashi, guys.
wear that one under.
Yes, I will.
So you're wearing two bathing suits.
It's not bathing. Kasi wala tong bra, guys. Wala, oh. So, ito na lang gawin kong rashi. Alright. Baby, oh. Okay, come on.
Come on.
Mag-breakfast kami. Ay, ako lang pala. Just one. One scrambled eggs. Omelette. Yes, please. Thank you. Para tayong fruit. Ang cute ni Holly. Siya yung nag-order sa akin ng omelette tsaka dalawang banana pancakes.
No, it's actually a lot. It was 40, That's it.
Thank you. So, yan yung breakfast natin. Hindi ako mo ng fried rice. Light breakfast to, guys. Fruits and pancakes and omelette.
And mentos.
And yogurt. And si Holly ayaw yung kumain. Wala. Thank you, Baba, for getting my pancakes and
I know it's
omelette.
taking a while.
I know. You like it?
Look. Good breakfast. I'm trying
What?
one.
Yeah, alright. I'll give you some. A yogurt?
Yeah, one.
What do you want? Plain omelette. I know. Maybe I'll eat this first. Good? You should get more of this, Baba. Plain one. Well, there's no line. So I told you this is good. So I cannot plain omelette. we need? 2? Alright. Okay. Okay.
But you can always have breakfast in the morning, so you can be full for the day.
That's
And then
right.
you can just eat lunch and dinner.
Or dinner.
Or just dinner. But at school, you have to eat your lunch.
And breakfast as well. Light breakfast.
We have toast.
So, tapos na kami guys. Okay, let's go baba. Okay, punta na tayo sa beach.
And it's so hot.
What's in Tagalog is hot.
Mainit.
Mainit. Oh, look at the waves.
Malamig and cool.
Malamig. No, I don't think so malamig sa pool. Tingnan niyo yung waves. No, thank you. Mamimiss namin itong viewing to everyday. Kasi bukas ng gabi, uwi na tayo guys. Uwi na kami. So, mamimiss ko to. Itong mga dinadaanan natin everyday. Dito na tayo si Jan. Nagpapamanicure, pedicure. Sabi ni Jan, mamaya para ako makakapag surfing kasi malapit sa shore yung tubig. Ayan. Ayan, si Kuya yan, nag-boogie board. Where's Kylie and Joe? Joe, where's Kylie? Bigger. Mas malaki raw yung waves ngayon compare kahapon. And tingnan nyo, umaabot daw dito. Kanina sabi ni Jan nung nag-breakfast tayo. Doon na si Holly. Careful, Baba, ha?
That should get us through to the bar. Goes a couple of what we don't spend on bring home. Stuff like that. Yeah.
Si Kuya since no?
You can feel the backwash back out there, like like it hits up here and then it goes. See all the ripples going backwards, and when the waves are coming, like you think you're in the right spot, then it goes goop, 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 and lifts up even further. It's just done.
Oh.
That.
Saan? Where is it? Sis nung... Oh, sakit! That was a good one.
Should sound like
Yeah. Si Kuya, since nung pumunta sila dito, hindi para umaahon si Kuya. Si Sak umahon na, di ba? Kumain na nga eh. Ayan, kain siya ng ice cream. Yung Magnum na ice chocolate. Yung mga bata doon pa din. Lakas pa rin. Hindi pa ako makakapag-surf. Parang surfer tayo. Hindi pa ako makakapag-surf kasi sabi ni Jack, yung nagpaparent, it's too big daw yung mga waves. Kahapon daw maganda kasi wala tayo kahapon, di ba? Si Holly tsaka si Sophie nasa pool. Andun din si Joe. And ako hindi ko pa alam kung anong plano natin. Gusto ko talaga mag-surfing kasi last day namin, last day, the whole day. Kasi ang alis namin bukas is What time our flight tomorrow, ha? 9 o'clock at night. Pero dapat nandun na kami 5 o'clock.
Yes, thank you.
So, ngayon na lang talaga yung chance ko para makapag-surf. Kasi last time, nag-surfing naman ako dito 6 years ago. So, ano lang, laro-laro lang. Hindi naman yung talagang nagkakatch ako ng wave. Tinutulak lang ako. Ice cream time for the girls. White chocolate magnum kay Holly and Sophie. Kuya, ayun na. Nakapag-ice cream na rin pala si Kuya. Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko siya. Si Sak, nawawala. Nasaan na si Sak? Mag-ice cream na rin siguro si Sak. Game. Mag-iyu na silang dalawa.
Boss went away.
Ah, okay. Pamassage si Johnny Boy. Foot massage or feet massage. Order na sila ng lunch. Anong oras na? It is 11:49. Hindi kasi sila nag-breakfast. Hindi sila nag-breakfast, so gutom na sila. Ako, okay pa ako. Si Holly, ewan ko kay Holly. Andun siya kay Sophie. What was that? Burger? Clubhouse?
Kebab.
Maybe this is like
A bacon cheese.
Oh, bacon. Was it good? When did you have that? Yesterday? Gustong bilan ni Jan yung nagmamasid sa kanyang bait nito. Hi! Oh, that's nice! Sabi ni Jack, yung may-ari ng surfing na parent, pwede na raw ako mag-surf. So, mag-change. Ay, hindi ako mag-change. Ilalagay ko lang to.
Which one?
My sunscreen, Joe? Sunscreen on your body? Ashtray? Ashtray?
I can imagine you.
No, I'll put it.
Here?
I've only got one food.
Dad, where's your leg? Give me your leg. Here.
Oh, he's videoing you.
Videoing.
You are.
No, Baba, don't go there, Baba. Sorry.
I got shit spread for last night breakfast.
Keep a thing for me.
Then after, if you drink, just jump to the next stage. That's the body. That's the top body. Your head. That's the body. No. I mean the head. The head. Like that.
Jack, move. Hi guys. Ready, Mom? I'm actually scared. Mom, can I ask you Dad to go out?
Yeah.
lot has changed since we last spoke. Life's been good to you, and I see that you're with someone new. Maybe you are better off now that you're with him. But when I see your face, I can't stop myself from spiraling. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. 'Cause I can focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you. My heart belongs to you. I'm not always trying to see it your way, to pick you up where you lay. I know that I have done some things I do regret. Now don't blame me for leaving. I might have done the same, but it doesn't make it easier anyway. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. I can get myself to focus when you were around. But I will try my best.
Get that?
Yeah.
To carry on without you like
Get tired.
you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you.
Guys, tapos na ako. Tingnan yung mata. To, my eyes, and 1 hour akong nag-surf, and yung mata ko para na akong rugok na isda kung sa Bicol. Yung parang hindi na magandang isda. Hindi na fresh na isda. Tingnan yung mata ko. Sobrang enjoy ng surfing. Ay, nako. Ang sakit sa mata nga lang kasi maalat yung, syempre maalat yung dagat. Oh my God. But it was fun. Right, Sa? Right, Sa? How did I go? Alright. Alright.
How are you?
Yung mata ko talaga.
Still here?
Sabi ni Kuya, it's like you've been crying there, Mom. Sabi ko, no.
No, that's
Kanina pa, tapos na lang ako mag-surf. Ngayon lang dumating yung food nila.
240.
Ayan, yung food nila. Spaghetti for Kuya, that's yours. This is nuggets. Bacon, cheese, burger. And what's that one? Ah, yeah, this is yours. But what's yours? Pizza, Hawaiian?
Sophie's, aren't they?
May tira si Sak, oh. Ano to, mangga? Pineapple? Yeah, akala ko mangga. Si Kuya, sarap na sarap sa spaghetti. Si Holly, hindi niya masyado nagustuhan yung nuggets kasi parang may, alam mo yun, yung parang taba ng isda. Pero hindi siya, para lang. Let me see, it's not here. Ayan, itinanggal niya. May parang ganito. Ayan.
And you get massage after?
No, I'm tired. Not today.
Because you go home tomorrow.
Probably go get
I'm sore. My body's sore. I've been surfing. I don't want to touch it.
Home.
Sorry.
Alright.
See you next time.
Don't forget Sada.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon niya ako magpamassage ako. Yan, inayos ko lang yung buko kasi kanina para tayong ano. Ngayon mata ko oh. Para akong umiyak. Sarap yung chips. Or gutom lang ako. Ano, what time is it, Ann? 1:30. It's not 2 o'clock. What time is it? 1:23. Alright. Dinala ko itong kahimis kasi nag-sunscreen na ako yung skin titig na spray.
Mama, come and go, Rosie. This is sweet.
Order akong coconut water. Yung pizza, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Kaya pala ayaw nisa. Here.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Nalani cool. Yeah.
Alright, good. Thank you. Cold. Masarap ang malamig na coconut. Sorry, mag-surf na rin. Si Jan na magpupush sa kanya. Ako, merong nag-push sa akin eh.
Yes, Ollie. Come on, Ollie.
Lie down.
Ano yung mag-ama. Wow, damn better than mommy.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. When it is freezing, I will keep you warm.
Good job, Holly. Tapos na sila ni Holly mag-surfing and ayan, nagpapamassage na siya. Si Kuya nag-ice cream ulit, ayun.
No, you
Ice cream ulit siya.
too light. You take two. Yes, too light.
Si Sak? Si Sak ba yun?
Take two. No, yeah, you.
Yeah, Sak? Sak is playing, you know, with Eddie, the ice cream boy. Nasaan ba sila? Basta. Andun sila. And yung tubig, tingnan nyo na yung tubig ng dagat. Yung tubig ay kumalma na siya compare kanina. Diba? Kanina hanggang dyan. Ngayon dun na lang. Wala na masyadong malalaking waves. Swimming kami dito sa pool nila.
used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed. Even
Okay, punta na tayo ulit dun sa harapan ng beach. Si John, nagpamassage doon malapit sa Bali Garden, yung full massage. And magre-release ulit sila ng turtles. Ayan, nakapila na sila. Malulobat na tayo, guys. Ayan, ang dami naman magre-release ng turtles. Ayan na yung magre-release ng mga turtles. Ah, okay. 4:35 na, balik na kami sa Bali Garden. Dito kayo sa Bali Garden pool. Si Jan tapos niya lang magpa-massage. Ayan si Sak. Malulobat na tayo. Wala, palobat na ang ating camera. Nakaligo na pala kami, guys. Papunta na tayo dun ulit sa front beach para i-meet sila Kylie. Si Jan nauna na. Kasi magdi-dinner tayo sa front beach. Yeah. Ayan yan yung OOTD natin. Yan yung tsura ng OOTD natin sa likod.
Mbappe, do you like soccer?
Ang ganda kanina nung sunset ko nakuhaan sa ating camera. Ba daw kanina, guys? So, sabi ko, ang ganda ng sunset. Ito yung last sunset natin dito sa Bali. Kasi bukas alis na tayo. Nag-glasses ako, guys. Wala na kasing sun. Yung mata ko kasi nagtutubig. Crying eyes ako today dahil kanina sa pag-surfing natin. Ang pula rin ng mata ko. Come on. Kylie? 20 minutes daw yung ating pinabook na dinner. So magta-taxi tayo. Dalawang ganito. Dito na kami, guys, kung saan tayo magdi-dinner. Diyan tayo sa Y-Bar. Okay, come on, Baba. Hi, boys, boys. Thank you. Pwede dito, guys. Ang lakas dito, guys. Ang lakas. Nag-order akong rice kasi yung aking order is ribs with chips lang daw. So, nag-order akong rice. Spaghetti. Pork chop kay Huling. That's mine. Thank you. So, ito yung ating ribs with chips and ito kay Huling, pork chop. Give me the bone. Good, Baba? Nagsimula ng boxing. What's up?
Looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting between the highways on the sea.
Tapos na, guys. Labas na tayo. Guys, dito kami sa M-Mart. Ayan. Di ba nag-dinner kami? Ayan, pagpunta namin dun sa dinner, nag-taxi. Wala kayong makuha ang taxi pabalik. So, nag-walking kami. So, ayan po sila nang may inom kasi sobrang uhaw ng lahat. Kasi 20 minutes papunta doon na naka-ano tayo, diba? Naka-taxi. Tapos, ngayon, baka mga 30-35 minutes walking kami. So, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Uwi na bukas. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.